Have you ever wondered how ketones can actually help you lose weight and burn fat? Today, we're going to dive into the world of ketones and explore how they can be a powerful tool for weight loss and fat burning. I'm excited to share my knowledge with you, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how ketones work and how you can use them to achieve your weight loss goals. So let's get started. Losing weight and burning fat can be a challenging and frustrating process. But what if I told you that there's a way to hack your body's natural fat-burning process to achieve rapid weight loss and improved overall health? That's exactly what ketones can do, and we're going to explore how in this video. Ketones have been gaining popularity in recent years as a means of rapid weight loss, but there's still a lot of confusion about how they work and how to use them effectively. That's what we're going to clear up today, so let's dive in. Our bodies are incredibly complex systems, and when it comes to weight loss, there are many different factors at play. But one key player in the weight loss game is ketones. When our bodies don't have enough glucose or sugar to use for energy, it starts to break down fat for fuel instead. This process is called ketosis, and it's a natural state that our bodies can enter when we're fasting, on a low-carb diet, or engaging in intense exercise. But what exactly happens when our bodies enter ketosis? Well, when we don't have enough glucose to use for energy, our liver starts to break down fat into molecules called ketones. These ketones can then be used by our brains, hearts, and other organs for energy. It's a very efficient way for our bodies to conserve energy when food is scarce. Ketosis is a natural state that our bodies can enter, but it's also a very powerful tool for weight loss. When we're in a state of ketosis, our bodies are able to burn fat at an incredible rate, which can lead to rapid weight loss. But ketosis isn't just about weight loss. It's also been shown to have numerous health benefits, including improved blood sugar control, increased energy, and reduced inflammation. So how do ketones fit into this picture? Ketones are the byproduct of fat breakdown, and when we're in a state of ketosis, our bodies are producing ketones at an increased rate. These ketones can be measured in our blood, breath, or urine, and they're often used as a marker of ketosis. But ketones aren't just a marker. They're also a powerful tool that can be used to enhance our body's natural fat-burning process. There are three main types of ketones: acetone, acetoacetate, and beta-hydroxybutyrate, or BHB. Each of these ketones plays a slightly different role in the body, but they all have one thing in common. They're a sign that our bodies are burning fat for fuel. When we're producing ketones, it's a sign that our bodies are in a state of ketosis, and that we're burning fat at an incredible rate. So how do we produce ketones? There are several ways to increase ketone production, including following a low-carb, high-fat diet, fasting, or engaging in intense exercise. When we restrict our carbohydrate intake, our bodies are forced to find alternative sources of energy, and that's when the magic happens. Our livers start to break down fat into ketones, and we enter a state of ketosis. But what about the benefits of ketones for weight loss? Well, the advantages are numerous. When we're in a state of ketosis, our bodies are able to burn fat at an incredible rate, which can lead to rapid weight loss. But ketones also have a number of other benefits, including reduced hunger, improved blood sugar control, and increased energy. When we're producing ketones, we feel more energized and focused, and we're less likely to feel hungry or sluggish. Now, I know what you're thinking. Are ketones too good to be true? Can they really help me lose weight and achieve my health goals? The answer is yes, but it's not a magic bullet. Ketones work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. When we're producing ketones, we need to make sure we're also fueling our bodies with healthy fats, moderate protein, and plenty of veggies. Of course, there are also some potential drawbacks to using ketones for weight loss. One of the biggest concerns is that it can be difficult to get into a state of ketosis, especially for beginners. It can take several days or even weeks for our bodies to adapt to a new diet and start producing ketones at an increased rate. Additionally, some people may experience side effects like the keto flu, which can include symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and nausea. But despite these potential drawbacks, the benefits of ketones for weight loss far outweigh the risks. When we're in a state of ketosis, our bodies are able to burn fat at an incredible rate, which can lead to rapid weight loss and improved overall health. And the best part is, anyone can do it, regardless of your fitness level or dietary background. So what do the experts say? I've spoken to numerous health experts and fitness professionals who swear by the power of ketones for weight loss. They've seen firsthand how ketones can help people lose weight, improve their health, and even reverse diseases like type 2 diabetes. And the research backs it up. Study after study has shown that ketones are a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health. So what's the takeaway? Ketones are a powerful tool for weight loss, but they're not a magic bullet. They work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. By incorporating ketones into your weight loss routine, you can experience rapid weight loss, improved health, and increased energy. And who wouldn't want that? Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know about your experiences with ketones and weight loss. Have you tried using ketones to lose weight? What were your results? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about diet and nutrition, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic.